Hey there, marketers. Today, I'm breaking down the secrets to mastering affiliate marketing with proven systems. If you're ready to crack the code and skyrocket your income, stick around. First off, what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's promoting other people's products and earning a commission when you make a sale. Sounds straightforward, right? But the real magic happens when you use tried and true systems to boost your success. Let's dive into a successful system that's been crushing it in the affiliate marketing world, the content marketing system. This strategy revolves around creating valuable, targeted content that attracts your audience and gently guides them towards making a purchase. For example, imagine you're promoting a fitness product. You start by crafting a blog post titled 10 Ways to Stay Fit at Home. Within this blog, you seamlessly integrate your affiliate links, pointing readers to the fitness product you're promoting. This approach not only provides value, but also builds trust with your audience. Another powerful system is the email marketing funnel. Here's how it works. You offer a freebie, like an ebook or a cheat sheet, in exchange for your audience's email addresses. Once they're in your email list, you send them a series of value-packed emails that gradually introduce your affiliate products. This system nurtures your leads and warms them up to make a purchase. Ever heard of Pat Flynn? He's a master at this. On his site, Smart Passive Income, Pat offers tons of free resources and valuable content. He's built a massive email list and uses it to promote high-quality affiliate products that his audience trusts. Modeling his system could be your ticket to affiliate marketing success. Now, can you follow and repeat these systems? Absolutely. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's all about replicating what works. Identify a successful affiliate marketer in your niche, study their methods, and adapt their systems to fit your style and audience. But remember, consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but with perseverance, you'll start to see your efforts pay off. So start small, stay focused, and keep testing and tweaking your systems. Before I wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these systems? What's been your experience with affiliate marketing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.